In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install SaxoTrader on your MacBook step by step. SaxoTrader is a professional trading platform that allows you to trade Forex, stocks, indices, and more, all in one place. So, let's get started. First, go ahead and click the link in the video description. Once you click on it, you'll be redirected straight to the official download page. Now, when you land on this page, you'll see two different download options available. What you want to do here is click on the button that says Download App for macOS. As soon as you click on that, the download will start automatically. It may take a few moments depending on your internet speed. Once the file has finished downloading, open your Downloads folder and locate the file. Go ahead and double-click on it to start the installation process. A new window will appear. Here you simply need to drag the SaxoTrader app into your Applications folder. After that, you can close the window and move the installer file to the trash. Now, open your Applications folder and launch SaxoTrader. The first time you open it, your Mac might show a security message. If that happens, just click Open to continue. And that's it. SaxoTrader is now installed and ready to use on your MacBook. You can now log in with your account or create a new one to get started. Alright, that's everything for this video. If this helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.